are you doing? John coming from bike ride at his lunchtime.
Cider vinegar
Brag.
by a company called Bragg. Now, the reason why this is the best one, it says here, I don't know if you guys can zoom in, Laila, a little bit.
Yes.
It says with the mother. This is where all the goodness is. It's this thing called the mother. I don't know how to explain what it is, but it has to have the mother. Drinking just apple cider vinegar is actually not good for you. It thins out your blood. So Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother or any other company.
What's up, everyone?
Hello, people.
We are sitting in the car right now, and then we say let's go talk a little bit about ourselves to what happened to us. It's been so long since we have been on social media. So I was sick actually, but I tested negative. I had bad sinus infection. So even like my voice is not the same in my face. I know I do look like sick. So I'm on antibiotics right now just for sinus infection, and I was having breathing problem, but it's not COVID, it's negative. And also John had a big issue, a big problem. I just can't believe this. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What happened to you?
I got hit by a car while I was cycling.
And then?
They ran away, left me on the road.
Hit and run.
Hit and run. I'm recovering. My shoulder's damaged.
His
Hit my
bike
head.
is damaged.
My bike is damaged.
Which one you most worried?
my bike. My leg is damaged a little bit, but I'm recovering. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna go back to riding again Tuesday, so it's fine.
Now you're not gonna drive on the road, right?
Right. I'm gonna drive on the grass. No, I'm gonna drive on the paths now. It's a little bit safer that way. Cars can't hit you.
Yeah. So we came outside a little bit because when you're sick you don't want to stay one place. You just want to go outside and take some fresh air. And
I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm not tired so far. I'm okay. I'm just happy being outside. I don't like being inside all day long. If the weather is good, I just love my trip, my driving. I can go long drive every week. I just love long drive.
I'm tired.
I'm wearing the same dress that I wore on Eid Day, and it is so cozy, so comfortable. So this is what came in my mind today. Today we are making burger, and I'm gonna make the burger on the grill today because if I have to make burger on the inside the house, in the kitchen, it's gonna make so much mess. The indoor grill burgers spill everywhere, and excuse me. So what a mess. So I just came here to get some stuff for my burger. So yeah, let's go make burger with us. He just blew a big vape. I close the door, I'm inside, and he can't even hear me if I'm talking because I can't breathe the vape smoke. Let me see. I'm gonna knock the door. Let's see if he can hear me. He heard me. He looked and he smiled. So I got my burgers. I got 2-pack. This pack has 12, so 12 or 24 burgers. I'm not sure that if I'm doing 24, maybe I'm just doing like 1 pack, 12, because Costco has a big pack. So I have no choice. I have to grab the whole pack. So I'm using ground beef. All I'm gonna add is just a little bit of salt, black pepper. I'm actually gonna add a lot of black pepper, and then chili flakes. Okay, I'm adding like 2 teaspoons, and then I'm gonna mix everything up. All right, so the burgers are ready. I got 18 burgers, and then lay them with, I separate them, each layer with parchment. I wrap them with plastic wrap, and then this is going to go in the fridge until I'm ready to grill the burger. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna go make a sauce to go with the burger, which is half equal amount of mayonnaise and plain yogurt. So to that, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, some garlic powder, and some chili powder because I like it spicy, and then sriracha as much as I like, and then I'm gonna give this a mix. Yummy. So I feel like adding some ketchup, so I'm gonna add just a drizzle of tomato ketchup, and then a little bit of dry parsley, and then I'm gonna give this a mix, and the sauce is ready.
Some cheese, some hot sauce, like some of that. Oh yeah, everything. So lettuce. Mine's not taking. Okay. The mine's not with the milk
Here
and
is
cheese,
a
right?
barbecue
That's for you
chef.
guys, right?
Hello.
Oh, you don't want?
Hello,
Okay.
barbecue chef.
Hi. So.
So the seeds that we put 2 weeks ago is coming out. Actually, I forgot which seed went in which box. I think this one looks cucumbers. I think so. And then this one right here, I don't think so. Maybe, I don't know. I don't think this one came out yet. This one, yes. This one is a different tree. And that's all came in this box. So I was driving, and then I said, let me just stop and film these trees. It's a little bit cloudy here. So these are spring flowers, spring trees that looks pink, but it is going to change into green. So I just wish these trees stays pink like this, red, pink. It is just so beautiful. Let me see if I can open the window, and then look at this. So beautiful. It's just gonna turn into green. Beautiful. What are you doing?
My back feels better now.
Why?
Because you blessed me. You massaged me.
Why? What happened to you?
I pinched a nerve.
We are going on the mountain again. Woohoo! Why did you stop?
Hello. I didn't know you were recording. We are stopped here at the top of the mountains overlooking this beautiful scenery. Overlooking downtown Hamilton by the lake. This is where we live. We're 5 minutes away from home. This is what's up. This is how John and Laila have been living.
Yeah, we finally got a chance to stop, have a parking spot, and tape this. And then so this is a road. All I have to go is down there, all the way here,
Down the
all the way down. Here is John coming from bike ride at his lunchtime. Look at how excited he is. Okay, come back with his nice blue outfit. Look at that. Here is Johnny. He's actually going to show you guys how he makes this drink, since you guys have asking how to make the drink that help him to lose weight. But he also did bike ride, so let him explain you guys. Go ahead.
Okay guys, so usually I make this drink in a water bottle. Pass me that so I can show them. So usually I make this drink in a big water bottle. I'm just gonna do it in a glass today to show you guys. So all you do, how I do it. You do it however you want. I usually cut a whole lemon, squeeze it as much as you can. So after you squeeze your lemon, this is what I use, and this is what you're supposed to use. This is called apple cider vinegar
Bragg.
by a company called Bragg. Now, the reason why this is the best one, it says here, I don't know if you guys can zoom in, Laila, a little bit.
Yes.
It says with the mother. This is where all the goodness is. It's this thing called the mother. I don't know how to explain what it is, but it has to have the mother. Drinking just apple cider vinegar is actually not good for you. It thins out your blood. So Bragg's apple cider vinegar with the mother, or any other company that you can find wherever you live with the mother. Just shake it up because all the stuff accumulates at the bottom. This is a brand new bottle. I just finished my other one yesterday. And then what you're supposed to do with this is you add 1 tablespoon per cup of water. What I do, because I don't have patience for tablespoons, I just give it a little
Eyeballing.
1, 2, 3, done. And then you refrigerate this stuff. Put in the fridge. Every time you use it, give it a shake, because it's like a pulp or whatever that accumulates at the bottom. So you come over here, run cold water. Hot water is no good. Cold water, because what the hot water does is it kills all the good ingredients from the lemon and from the apple cider.
John is getting water.
So don't forget, 1 tablespoon.
Do you stir the glass? Do you stir it?
In my water bottle, I shake it.
Yeah.
It's in a glass, you stir it, get everything mixed and drink it. What I do is I drink it after I have my first meal of the day. A lot of people say it's good to have on an empty stomach because the effects are greater. I disagree with that, because on an empty stomach, all the acids from the apple cider vinegar, it's really really high acidity, whatever you say that. And the lemon is high in acid too, so it doesn't go good with me. So I have my first meal of the day, then I drink this afterwards. Take your time with it, you don't have to drink it all in one shot. And what I find it does is it helps break up my food, helps me digest better. So these together with combined daily, I exercise for 7 days a week. For the first year. Now I'm down to 6 days a week. I cycled every day, 11 kilometers, nothing serious, 11 kilometers a day, as fast as I could, as hard as I could. And I started off my weight loss journey at 343 pounds. I'm 182 pounds as of this morning. That's in 15 months. So good health, good eating, good exercise. You must exercise.